Hello everyone, welcome back to the Chung Social Tools channel. Today, I'll show you how to comment on videos on Facebook. For example, let's open this video. These are videos you have posted on Facebook. Now, I'll guide you on how to use a bot to make multiple accounts interact with these videos. Here, I have one video, but it has no comments yet. Let's increase the number of comments on this video. The first step is to open the MKT Care software. This software helps you manage an unlimited number of Facebook accounts. While managing, you can also attach a proxy to each account so that every account has its own unique IP address. Okay, now go to the Content Management section to create comment content for the bot. You can create many folders to store your content. I've already created several folders here. Each folder contains its own type of content, making it easier to manage and choose from. Now, click Add Pods to add new content. Select the folder you want. Choose the content type as comment. Enter a title. Then enter your comment content. You can write comments using the spin structure, so the bot will randomly pick from different variations to post. You can also upload images or videos here. For example, I'll upload one video. It appears right here. Okay, I've already prepared one piece of content with the spin format. There are many different variations. After we have the content ready, go to the main part, the comment feature. Here, choose Comment by Video Reels, which means short videos. Select your account list. I'll select these two lists. Then tick Select All. Next, enter the ID of the Reels video here. Open the video again. Copy the string of numbers at the end of the link. Paste it here and save. Now, choose the comment content you just created. I'll select the 25 comments I made earlier and save them. You can also configure some settings, for example, add reactions or other options. If you have multiple links, you can put several video IDs here, one link per line. After setup, adjust the number of threads. Threads mean how many accounts run at the same time. For example, I'll set it to 15 accounts running simultaneously. Once I press Start, 15 accounts will automatically log in and comment on that video link. This will help boost engagement for your videos. Now, let's watch the bot in action. When running, the bot doesn't need to open a browser. You can simply monitor the system log column. When a comment is successful, it shows success. If there's an issue, it shows error. Let's wait a bit for the bot to finish all accounts. As you can see, it's almost done. Now, I'll open the post and check again. Before, this post had no comments. Let's reload the page. Now you can see there are many comments. Click See More to view them all. These comments are all based on the content you prepared earlier. Okay, so this is how you can quickly increase comments for any video you want. It's very fast and simple. No special skills required. If you want more information about automation tools or social media growth strategies, you can message me on Telegram or WhatsApp. All the details are in the description and comment section below. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.